Good morning, everyone. We're already seeing the wind picking up. 48 degrees. It's warm now. Wind gust now just came in at the Jetport at 52 miles an hour. We're in on the heart of it. Once you get to 50-mile-an-hour winds, you're going to start to see rapid areas of power outages. 50-mile-an-hour winds can take down tree limbs. So we're looking at sustained winds around 30 miles an hour. 52-mile-an-hour winds in Portland from the east, 43 miles an hour in Portsmouth, and 28 in Auburn. We're looking at 60 to 70 at our peak here later on this morning into the afternoon, and 45 to 60-mile-an-hour winds still possible in the interior. Not so much the foothills, but yes, up in the higher elevations. Now, we have an aerial flood warning underway. We've already received several inches of rain, and we're going to receive 1 to 2 inches more of rain. With that rapid snowmelt, low-lying areas, streams could fill over their banks. Watch out for flooding in the next few hours here, especially with that heavy rain continuing. The snow switches over to rain right now. Heavy rain all across the area. You can see plenty of rain from Augusta down toward the coast here, and you can see all of this rain still has to get up toward us here down from Boston. So we have this heavy rain at 11 a.m. We're looking at flooding, high winds at this point in time, high winds and showers during the afternoon. And then those high winds continue into the evening, but then we'll have a flash freeze tonight where everything that's wet will turn to ice tomorrow morning. Got to watch out for that. Now, those temperature drops will be pretty shocking, from 52 down to 15 overnight. And then for Christmas, well, ice everywhere tomorrow morning. Christmas Eve, it's going to feel like 3 or 9 degrees, blustery, and Christmas Day a sunny and cold day. Let's get a look at current conditions with Talia Clark. She's live down in the Old Orchard Beach area. Talia, how are things looking?
Yeah, just point at me when I'm... Hello, Ted. Well, it's a very active scene out here on Old Orchard Beach. You can see that the waves are blowing this water in and the foam from the beach onto the sand, and it's really creeping up out here. Now that the sun is up, you can really see how this high windstorm is impacting the coast along our main coast. I've never seen anything like this in my storm coverage. It's just insane. I mean, you really wouldn't know unless you were right here on the beach, because I had just driven into downtown Saco and the wind was nowhere near as intense as it is right here on Old Orchard Beach with the sand blowing around. This wind is so strong and it's only picking up from what it was this morning. Earlier today we were seeing heavy rain. It was whipping around. It was causing a winter mess out here and very wet. Now that rain has died down and the wind has picked up, and Ted tells me that that wind is expected to pick up 20 to 30 miles an hour. Our photog is being blown back because of this strong wind. And if you look over here, you can see how much those power lines are blowing in this strong wind as well. Some of them appear to be sagging. So when you're out on the road today, make sure that you are careful and that you do not go anywhere near any power lines, because there's no telling whether they are active or not. Make sure you drive another way if you do experience that. And visibility is low in areas where it's raining as well, with this heavy wind and whipping that rain around. So you want to make sure you're taking it slow out there. If you do have to be on the road, make sure you have that rain jacket, that you have those rain boots as well to stay dry and stay warm and stay safe out there. Back to you, Ted.
I can tell that you can understand how she couldn't hear me there. Takes the breath away from me. It just shows you how fast those winds are. The Jetport has 52-mile-an-hour winds. You can only imagine right at the coastline how fast those winds are going. We're already getting updates on power outages. Start charging everything. You see how fast the winds are going now?